Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video we will be solving the PWD Assistant Engineer question paper. Okay, and in this part we will be solving the estimation and valuation questions. Okay, we have created part 2 and part 3 before this, and if you have not watched those part, do click on the link above. So the part we have divided for important questions for your APSC civil engineering examinations. Now this MCQs will be important for your BTech examinations, diploma examinations, as well as different examinations on this APSC like PWD Assistant Engineer, PWD Junior Engineer, Public Health Engineering, Water Resource Engineering, Lecturer in Civil Polytechnic and Irrigation Engineering. Okay, so I hope you are liking our previous videos, that is part 1 and part 2. So let us begin with the first question. So see what is given in the first question. So one of the methods included in preliminary estimate is, okay, we know what are the different methods of estimation. The first method is your preliminary, which is also known as approximate method. Okay, and under preliminary method there are three methods. The first one is the plinth area method. In plinth area, what we do, we calculate the area of the plinth and we multiply with the price or cost of plinth area for a similar building, Okay, and the second one is your cubical content method, and the third one is your unit base method. Okay, so under preliminary three methods are there, and what is given to us? Plinth area method, belting method, comparison method, design data. So under plinth area method, since there are three, so the correct option will be option number A. So let us go to the next question. See, the next question is given as 1 cubic meter of cement concrete 1:1.5:3 is to be mixed by volume. Number of cement bags required will be approximately. What is given to us? Volume of wet concrete kiman dia ase amak ba kiman produce koribo lage ami, we have to produce 1 meter cube of wet concrete, and we know the volume of wet concrete is less than volume of dry concrete. Ami mix to dry obostate korim, to dry volume required kiman hobo? We know dry volume required is, wet volume is increased by 52%. Okay, so kiman hoi jabo 1.52 meter cube. In some books you will find it as 57% also. You can take either. ठीक है से? So because wet volume कम होय, dry volume of cement बेसी होय. किमान percent बेसी लैसु आमी 52% बेसी लैसु. I hope this is clear. Now for की concrete कारणे কৈছে আমাক 1:1.5:3. तार माने आमी जानो एटु की mix proportion होय, M20 ৰ कारणे होय. ठीक আছে? That key dia ase 1 represents what? 1 is representing the cement, 1.5 is representing what? Fine aggregates, and 3 here is representing coarse aggregate. Tar mane 1 unit of cement, 1.5 unit of fine aggregate, 3 units of coarse aggregate. So amak ki lage cement, amak kiman lage 1 part cement out of kiman part 3 plus 1.5 plus 1 mane 5.5. ठीक है, and किमान volume और करने लगे 1.52. So this comes out to be 0.2763 meter cube. ठीक है. Now so we know density of cement किमान होय 1440 kg per meter cube, आरु mass of cement in 1 bag kiman hoy 50 kilos. Therefore volume of cement in 1 bag kiman hoy jabo 50 kilo, that is mass upon the density, which comes out to be 0.035 meter cube. ঠিক আছে, now so যদি 1 bag cement or volume iman and we require this much amount of iman meter cube of volume we require. So number of cement bags, required kiman hoy jabo, the required volume, that is 0.2763 divided by egg bag cement or jiban volume, which comes out to be approximately equal to, 7.8. so we can take it approximately equals to 8 bags. So 7.8 bags to আমি use নকৰো, ঠিক আছে. So let us see the option. So কিমান দিয়া আছে, 5 bags, 8 bags, 6 bags, 10 bags. So the correct option will be 8 bags. I hope you have understood. Okay, so now let us see the next question. So কি দিয়া আছে, for a specific work 5 numbers of 16 mm dia bars each of length 12 meter are required. The weight of the bars will be approximately equal to, weight labole dise amar, ঠিক আছে. So given কি আছে, so number of bars কিমান দিছে, number of bars 5, dia কিমান দিয়া আছে 12, 16 mm, meter লিখি লম 0.016 meter, and length কিমান দিয়া আছে এডাল বাৰৰ 12 meter কে length. So volume কি হৈ যাব, volume of reinforced bars কিমান হৈ যাব, pi by 4 into t square into length into the number of bars, ঠিক আছে. This is the cross sectional area into length, volume পাই যাম, and number of bars all into কৰি দিম. So pi by 4, d কিমান আছে আমাৰ 0.016 whole square into length কিমান দিয়া আছে 12 meter into number of bars কিমান 5. So it comes out to be 0.0120 meter cube. Okay, now we are required to find weight. Weight ulabole ama ki lagibo, we will require the density. We know that weight will be what, density of steel into the volume. Volume to ami calculate korilo already, etu volume hoy, and density of steel kiman hoy 7850 kg per meter cube into 0.0120. So the weight of bars will come out to be 94.7 kg. 94.7 kg to option or 9, nearest is 95, so we can take approximately equals to 95 kg. See, the density of steel or the reinforced steel that we use is 7850 kg per meter cube. Very important, right? Always remember this value, very very important. Okay, so let us go to the next question. In rate analysis, the water charge is generally considered as, so in rate analysis we know the water charge is generally considered as 1.5%. You have to remember this value. Okay, next question. See, the next question is the quantity of dry ingredients for 12 mm cement mortar 1:3 plastering over a brick wall 100 square meter area is approximately equal to. So let's see what is given to us. Ki given us is cement mortar diya ase amar, kiman ratio diya ase 1:3. tar mane this is cement, 1 part of cement in 3 part of sand or fine aggregate, ঠিক আছে. next কি দিয়া আছে, thickness of plastering কিমান দিয়া আছে 12 mm, or also we can take as 0.012 meter, and area of plastering কিমান দিয়া আছে 100 meter square. so 100 meter square দিয়া আছে, তাৰ মানে volume of plastering কিমান হৈ যাব, or volume of mortar required কিমান হ'ব 0.012 thickness into the area, তাৰ মানে 1.2 meter square. Now this volume that we have calculated is the wet volume. Dry volume will be 60% of wet volume. Plastering or karone ami kiman lou, approximately 60% lou. Keneke lou 30% lou for filling the joints, and about 25% to 30% again we take for dry volume increase. ঠিক আছে, So approximately আমি কিমান লৈ লওঁ 60% increase লওঁ so dry volume কিমান লাগিব আমাক it will be 1.6 into wet volume কিমান 1.2 so it comes out to be 1.92 meter cube ঠিক আছে now for কিমান mortar দিছিলে 1:3 mortar cement কিমান লাগিব আমাক সোৱা cement required কিমান হ'ব 1 part of cement in 4 part of mortar কিমান ভলিউমৰ কাৰণে 1.92 ভলিউমৰ কাৰণে which comes out to be 0.48 meter cube and sand required কিমান হ'ব sand কিমান আছে 3 parts of sand in 4 part of mortar into volume কিমান 1.92 and this comes out to be 1.44 meter cube so dry ingredients আমাক উলাব দিছিলে dry ingredients of volume কিমান হৈ যাব 1.44 that is sand volume plus 0.48 that is your cement volume কিমান আহে answer comes out to be 1.92 meter cube so 1.9 will be your answer ঠিক আছে approximate কৰিলে okay let us go to the next question now next question ki diya ase so the machine is purchased for rupees 10 lakhs and has an estimate life of 10 years the salvage value at the end of 10 years is kiman diya ase 1,50,000 the book value of the machine at the end of 5 years using general straight line method of evaluation of depreciation is okay so original cost kiman diya ase original cost diya ase amak 10 lakhs ঠিক আছে and number of years কিমান দিয়া আছে 10 years and next কি দিছে সো salvage value salvage কিমান দিয়া আছে আমাক rupees 1,50,000 salvage value মানে কি the salvage value is the value of the property at the end of its utility period যেটা here building to utility period বা machine to utility period শেষ হৈ যাব তাৰ পিছত যেটো তাৰ value থাকিব that will be the salvage value okay salvage value আমাক 10 years কাৰণে দিয়া আছে so depreciation by straight line method আমি calculate কৰিব পাৰো কিমান হৈ যাব depreciation per year using straight line method formula কি original cost minus scrap value or salvage value divided by the number of years কিমান দিয়া আছে 10 lakhs original cost is 10 lakhs minus salvage value kiman 1,50,000 divided by number of years kiman 10 years okay so it comes out to be 85,000 per year kiman ke depreciate hobo value kiman ke komibo 85,000 per year ke tar value komi jabo okay next one amak ulabo ki dise we are required to find the book value at the end of 5 years okay so now we are required to calculate the book value ki hoy jabo book value will be the original cost minus depreciation kiman year karone depreciation for 5 years ঠিক আছে original cost kiman asile 10 lakhs depreciation per year kiman palo ami 85,000 kiman year karone goise amak 5 years karone so multiply korim kiman 5 year so it comes out to be rupees 5,75,000 so let us check the answer so option D will be our correct option 5,75,000 I hope you have understood next question the excavator cost rupees 20 lakhs and has an estimated life for 8 years it has no salvage value at the end of 8 years the book value at the end of 3 years using general double declining balance method of depreciation so this method is double declining method okay previous method to ami ki korisu straight line method straight line method ot ami ki korisilu depreciation each year was constant kiman asil depreciation original cost minus salvage value divided by the number of years thik ase this value of D was constant every year constant for every year. But in case of double declining balance method, the depreciation value is not constant. Okay, আমি depreciation কেনেকৈ ওলাম বা percentage depreciation কেনেকৈ ওলাম, এইটো depreciation পৰা we can calculate the percentage depreciation, right? Whatever is the depreciation divided by the original cost into 100, this will give us the percentage depreciation yearly. Okay, now this is for straight line method. Now double declining method কি হৈ যাব, percentage depreciation will be twice the percentage depreciation for straight line method. Okay, based on this principle we will try to solve the numerical. ঠিক আছে, so see what is given. The original cost কিমান দিয়া আছে, rupees 20 lakhs. Okay, salvage value কিমান দিয়া আছে, salvage value 0 দিয়া আছে, and number of years কিমান বুলি কৈছে, 8 years. So from straight line method we know depreciation equals to কিমান হ'ব depreciation, original cost that is your 20 lakhs minus salvage value which is 0 divided by 8 years. তার মানে কিমান আহি যাব, rupees 2,50,000. তার মানে ইয়ারলি ইমানকে depreciate হ'ব. So percentage depreciation ওলাই লও আমি yearly. Percentage depreciation কিমান হ'ব, depreciation per year that is 2,50,000 divided by original cost into 100. So it comes out to be your 12.5% ke mane yearly value to decline hobo 12% ke. Now for double declining balance method we know ki percentage depreciation kiman hoy jay, twice of percentage depreciation for straight line method. So straight line method ot ami kiman paisu, 2 into 12.5. tar mane kiman percentage depreciation hobo, 25% hobo in case of double declining method. Okay, now let's see depreciation for first year কিমান হ'ব, 20 lakhs into কিমান 0.25, 25% কে ডিক্রিজ হয়েছে, right? So it will be how much, 50,000. Okay, so book value কিমান হৈ যাব, book value for first year কিমান হৈ যাব, 20 lakhs minus depreciation for the first year. তার মানে কিমান আহিব, rupees 1,50,000. sorry, so it will come out to be 15 lakhs. ঠিক আছে, now depreciation for second year কিমান হৈ যাব, depreciation for second year কাক বেস কৰি উলাম আমি, we will calculate the value based on this value of book value. ঠিক আছে, original cost to নলাও, we will take the book value for the second year. So কিমান হৈ যাব, 15 lakhs into কিমান percent depreciation, 25%. So this value comes out to be 3,75,000. ঠিক আছে, therefore book value আকৌ calculate কৰিম for second year. কিমান হৈ যাব, book value first year ত কিমান আছিল, 15 lakhs minus depreciation কিমান হ'ল, 3,75,000. so it comes out to be rupees 11,25,000. Similarly, we will calculate depreciation for the third year. কিমান হৈ যাব depreciation for the third year. Now we will take this book value. ঠিক আছে, that means 11,25,000 কিমান percent depreciation হ'ব 25%, so it comes out to be rupees 2,81,250 rupees. Therefore book value for third year কিমান হৈ যাব 11,25,000 minus 2,81,250 rupees, which is equals to 8,43,750. So আমাক কি ওলাব দিছিলে book value for the third year. So this should be the correct option. চাই লওঁ আমি কিমান দিয়া আছে ইয়াত চোৱা 8,43,750. So option A will be the correct option. Okay, so let's see the next question. Next question ki diya ase swa, if the excavation of earth is done manually, then it costs rupees 10 per cubic meter. A machine can excavate at a fixed cost of rupees 4,000 plus a variable cost of rupees 2 per cubic meter. The quantity of earth for which the cost of excavation by machine will be equal to the cost of excavation by manual excavation. So given ki ase swa, manual excavation jodi ma koru, manual excavation or cost kiman rupees 10 per cubic meter. Aru jodi machine ere koru, machine excavation ki boli koise mu rupees 4,000 fixed lobo plus rupees 2 per meter cube. ठीक है, and खुदिसे की the volume of excavation for which দুটা cost मोर की होबो equal होबो, तार माने manual cost will be equals to the machine cost. So আমি এটা কাম কৰো, we take the options. First আমি 500 meter cube to লৈ চাম. Suppose আমি 500 meter cube excavate কৰিলো, এটা manual cost কিমান পৰিব আমাৰ, sorry, manual cost কিমান পৰিব 10 per meter cube, তার মানে 500 meter cube কাৰণে কিমান হৈ যাব 10 into 500, তার মানে rupees 5,000 manual. ঠিক আছে, next হোৱা machine cost কিমান হৈ যাব মোৰ, machine cost will be equals to rupees 4,000 to my fixed DSO already and rupees 2 per cubic meter. কিমান cubic meter কাৰণে 500 কাৰণে, so it will be equals to rupees 4,000 plus 2 into 5,000 মানে 1,000, so কিমান আহি যাব rupees 5,000. So first option tote amar ulai gol answer. So A will be our correct option. Dutare 5,000 pai asu mai, so kiman meter cube volume ot mai equal pam dutare cost 500 meter cube volume ot pam. I hope you have understood. So this will be the last question. See, the value of land can be determined by, value of land ami kor pora determine koru by using of belting method. Okay, belting method ki hoy, belting method কি করো আমি, যদি আমার একটু plot হয় and this is the road, we calculate the frontage area. Okay, and what we do, we divide the plot in this type of strips. এটা stripত divide কৰি দিও, ঠিক আছে, parallel to the road. এটো যদি মোৰ road হয়, roadৰ parallelly আমি কি কৰো, property to divide কৰি দিও in strips. These strips are known as belts. This method is known as the belting method and is used for determining the value of land. Okay, so thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you are liking our videos, so do hit the like button, share our videos with your friends and family, do subscribe to our channel and hit the bell notification button for further updates. Thank you.